Hello students, welcome back. Class 7, subject computer, chapter 2. I am taking chapter 2 is our Scratch. Okay, this is very interesting application. Okay, so what is Scratch? Scratch it is a software. Okay, and it was designed for fun, but today we can use for our educational purpose. So this is our educational software and very easy to learn or very interesting software. Okay, just like MS Paint, but it offers for creating interactive stories. Okay, we can create our interactive stories. Okay, we can create our animated stories. We can also create games. We can also create animations and much more. Okay, but very important thing is it offer block based programming. Block based programming means there is no need to learn any computer programming language. Okay, there is no need to learn any programming language. Means already ready-made blocks automatically created. We just put and we can write the code directly. So this is the big advantage of this software. So today I am discussing about, so we can discuss different kind of blocks in our Scratch software. Second, we can use just like MS Paint, choose, paint, edit and resize our characters. In characters we can say sprite, and we can also share our project online. Okay students, so today I am discussing our Scratch software. So you can see, now I want to minimize this window. Now you can see this is our Scratch software. You can see this. So I want to double click this software. Now you can see this is our Scratch software. I want to maximize this window and you can see this is our window. Okay, so first you see Scratch 2 offline editor. So this is our title bar. Okay, this is our title bar, and you can see this is our minimize, maximize, minimize button. You can see minimize our window, and we can maximize our window, and finally we can close our window. Okay, now there are different kind of parts on this screen. Okay, so one by one I want to discuss. So this part you can see, so this part you can see, this part we can say this is our stage. Okay, this is our stage, and this is our sprite. Okay, we can say this is our sprite. Okay, this is a sprite. Okay, this is our character. Okay, so we can use, so this is your stage and this is your sprite. Okay, we can change this sprite according to our choice. Okay, now this part we can say this is our sprite list. Okay, this is your sprite list. This, when you click this is your sprite list. Okay, so different kind of sprite list you can see. Now next thing is this is our script portion, this is our costume, this is our sound. Okay, when you select this sprite, so you can see three things. This is our story characters, we can also say sprite. So you can see this is the script of this sprite, the costume of this sprite, and the sound we can use for this sprite. Okay, to create our animated story. So sound, so this is your script. So this is our script area. Okay, so this is our script area. Now in this script area, this is our blocks. Different kind of blocks you can see. We can use these blocks to create our programs one by one. Now next is thing you can see this is our motion. In script we can use our motion, we can use loops, we can use sound coding programming, we can use pen, we can use data, we can use our events, we can use controls, we can use sensing, we can use operators, we can use more blocks. So there are 8 things we can use for our block coding for this sprite. Okay, now you can see the costume. So different kind of costume you can see. Okay, so different kind of costume you can see. I want to delete this. So this is our sprite. Okay, and this is our file toolbar, file, edit, tips, about, and you can see. And this is our other buttons you can see. And this is our flag. We can run our program. We can run our program with the help of this thing. Okay students. Now next thing we can discuss, but before you can see, this is also our stage. Okay, so this is, we can say this is our stage. Okay, so we can create our stage according to our choice. Okay, so here two things is important. First you can see this is our character and this is our background portion. So we can say backdrops. Okay, this is our character, this is our backdrops. So you can see this is our backdrops. Okay, and when you select this backdrops, so here you can again see the script, backstage and sound. Okay, so every time you can see the three things for background. And when you use sprite characters, so again we have three things: sprite, costume and sound. When you use this background, so you have script, backdrop and sound. When you select this sprite character, so we have again three things: sprite, costume and sound. Okay, so this thing you keep in mind. So first we select this sprite again and we can use script. Now next thing you can see, this is our script area. Okay, we already discussed. Now this is our stage. Okay, this is our stage portion. Okay, so this is stage. Okay, so we can say this is our OX axis. This part we can say this is our OX axis. We can say this is our OY axis. So you can see in X axis value automatically change in this direction. Okay, when you use vertically, so Y axis value will change. When you mouse pointer in left to right, so X value will change, and when you mouse pointer top to down or bottom to top to bottom or bottom to top, so Y value will is changing. Okay students, so we can say this is our coordinate OX axis and OY axis on this stage. Okay students, now in stage you can see there are two buttons. This is our, we can say this is our starting green flag script. We can run our animated program, and this is our stop everything. Okay, now when you select the new sprite, okay, so first we select the sprite, then we change the costume. So when you select this, so script we can use, costume we can use. So we can change this costume. Okay, so you can see I want to change this costume. So for this purpose there are different kind of option we can use. Okay, we can also use our new library we can use. So you can select this, choose a sprite library. I want to use this sprite. Okay, then select this and then we click on OK. Now this sprite will come. Okay, first you select, then we click the OK. Because it takes time. Okay, now you can see on our stage two things. This is our cat and this is our another sprite. Okay, now you can, after selecting, you can change the costume. I want to change the costume, so we can use costume. When you want to change the costume, so you can select this. Okay, so we have different kind of things we can use. Okay students, okay, now we want to change the costume, so select this, and I want to use different kind of things. Suppose you can use this rectangle. Okay, now you can use this rectangle. Okay, now we can fill the color. Okay, we can also fill the color according to our choice. Okay, now you can undo this thing. Now you can draw a line also. Okay, So first we change the color here and we can draw the line. Okay. Now we can undo the operation. We can also write anything. Okay. First you click and we can first you select and then you can write anything. Okay. So we can use this thing. This is your pencil. Okay. So we can use this. This is your pencil. Okay. Now you select this sprite also, and we can use this sprite. Okay. So different kind of thing we can use on our sprite. We can also add a sound. So there are different kind of sound available. So we can select the sound. So we have several sounds. Okay, we can use. Suppose I want to select C bass, then we can okay. Now this is your C bass. We can also listen these sounds. Okay, we can also add effect. Okay. So again we move the script portion. Costume you can see. We can use the sound. Now here we can also decide the background image. So here I am using stage background, and you can also select the background. So here we can use the background. Okay. Suppose here I am selecting this background, blue sky. Then we click on the OK button. Now you can see this is your blue sky. Okay. Now we can run this program. Okay. So this is your final output. You can see this is our back stage. This is your two sprites, sprite 1 and sprite 2. Okay, you can see this is your sprite 1, sprite 2, and there are different kind of thing you can see. Okay. Finally we can save our project. I want to save this project. I want to save the project desktop. Here I am using first. Okay, I want to save this project first. I want to save this project. So this is your first project. Okay, when you click on new, so automatically create a new project. But I want to open. So here I again click and open. And here I move to desktop, and here I am selecting again first. Okay. So again you can see our first project. Again you can see this is your backdrop. This is your first sprite. This is your second sprite. You can see. Okay students, now when you click this thing and we can use the costume, so we can use this option. We can also select this thing. Okay, suppose I want to select this thing. Alternatively you can select this thing. Okay, now there are several options. You can also, when you select, then we click on grow, this option, so automatically it grow. When you click on this button, so automatically it will shrink. First you select and it will automatically shrink. And this is your stem. Okay, so we can create our duplicate data. Okay, so click this, so it will create this is stem, so it will create the duplicate data. Okay students, and I want to save the project, and I want to share this project to the website also. Okay, so we can also share this project on the website. Okay students, so today I am discussing different kind of blocks, how to choose, edit and resize character and share the project online. Okay, so with the help of, we can mention our project name and Scratch name, and we give password, then this software will share to the Scratch website. Okay students, thank you so much.